welcome back. My name is Ivan. We're traveling with Ivan. In this video, we're going to be showing you an amazing, beautiful, brand new 2-bedroom, 2-bath here in the Retiro at the Quarzzo. Now, this is a brand new development that just opened up a few months ago. I recall passing up and down these roads about for 2 years, and it finally opened. It's a beautiful property, has so many amazing amenities, and it's a beautiful, what's great about it, it's a furnished unit, which is so rare in these part of the woods. Now, this is located right on the main road that takes you from Las Palmas, that takes you into La Retiro. This is called La Fe. And it's a great location because you have easy access to the main road that takes you to Medellin, or takes you to Llano Grande or Rio Negro or the airport. And then in 5 minutes more, you're into the square with the church, the restaurants and everything. So it's perfect location. And it's a lot of you guys have been asking me about furnished units. This is a furnished unit. And there's also a little surprise I'm going to tell you a little later that this apartment has to offer. So let's go check out the apartment. That's not wasting any time, and let's go. Something really interesting the real estate agent was explained to me is that this property was actually designed to be for short-term rentals. So there's actually some units that you can find on Airbnb. If you would like to stay here in Retiro, you could actually find this property and some of the units available in Airbnb. We're taking here is the path that takes us to the clubhouse and the gym and the solitarium area where you could barbecue and also just use the fireplace and relax. So it's a little separated from the property, so it's a nice little walk, but it's very, very beautiful, as you can see. Buenos días. Vamos a jugar cartas.
Sí, sí. Ahí.
This is amazing.
Ahora, cuando quieres estar.
No. Pero yo trabajo en la casa, imagínate. Esto es muy importante.
Una sala.
Los baños.
Hay ducha y lo que sí tenemos es turco. Hay después como un spa, pero acá está el... Entonces que como que no vayas con la luz. Bueno, está cerrado, pero acá está el turco. Acá no es una spa. Y sauna.
Ah, ok, nice.
También eso es chévere.
Sí, es lo importante.
La piscina es no tanto. Acá está el gimnasio. Muy bien.
Buenos días. Muy chévere, muy chévere.
Como lo de la televisión básica.
Acá hay una vista bien bacana. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. It's beautiful. Todo lo que necesito.
Sí.
Oh, this is amazing.
Y arriba hay...
Come here, abre el mundial acá.
Sí, es lo que nosotros vamos a tomar para eso.
Yeah, just watch the... Yeah, this is amazing, man. Wow.
Es como por no atender visitas, cuando no tiene algún evento familiar. No, está cerrado, pero de aquí se aprecia todo. Ah, mira, sí, creo que sí está abierto. Okay. Ah, no, está cerrado.
Oh, it's like the barbecue area.
Sí.
Oh my God, dude. this is crazy. This is
Y
crazy.
el barbecue. Todo esto lo rentas en la portería, te entregan llaves de todo.
Yeah, you have a little fireplace here.
Sí. La fogata.
En un cumpleaños así.
Sí.
Bien chévere.
Y esa gas,
Esos de allá son Sierra Grande. Sierra Grande.
los de arriba,
Ajá.
creo que sí. Estos
sí.
de acá.
Sí.
Tiene muy buena vista.
So you got like a little kitchen party room in there. Wow. Very well done.
Sí, está muy bien, está bien diseñado.
Very, very well done. Está tan bonito, man. So now we'll be viewing a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, just a little bit over 700 square feet, excluding the balcony. The balcony is really big, will probably take us over 900 square feet. It has its laundry room, it comes with a washer. You have your full refrigerator, microwave, coffee machine, all the appliances and everything you possibly need. This apartment, it is move-in ready. All you have to do is bring in your clothes. Now, another special feature for this unit is the utilities are included up to 300,000 pesos. So that's gas, water, and electricity is included up to 300,000 pesos. Internet is also included, which is an additional savings of about 85,000 pesos. So this is a great move-in ready, utilities included up to 300,000 pesos. Amazing, amazing view, as you can see. Brand new unit, you'll be the first person living in it. Amazing amenities for those who work from home. You have 2 different co-working stations that you could work from. And it's overall just amazing. Really, really
Televisor, ¿no?
this property.
Lo que pasa es que la diferencia con el otro apartamento es lo que vos estás viendo. Uno tiene tele acá y el otro tiene la tele en la sala.
Ah, okay.
Y no en la habitación.
No, pues yo tengo uno también, pues me lo traigo, ¿no? Oh, this is great. Access to the balcony.
Sí.
King size bed?
Sí.
Wow. We got a master. Hasta con champú y todo vino, wow.
Ah, de pronto.
Wow. De pronto lo está usando así de vez en cuando.
No.
No.
No, ese se rentó hace como 15
Now,
días.
asking rental price for these units at the current time is 4.6 million pesos per month. With today's exchange rate, will bring you around 1,200 to 1,260, depending on the exchange rate currently, because it's been fluctuating up and down a lot, especially recently.
Yeah.
Mismo tamaño y todo.
Sí, son iguales. El corte es el
Now remember that the utilities are included, so the savings is about $100 to $150 worth. So you exclude that from the rent, and you're actually only paying about $1,100 a month. Todo bien, calidad buena, you know?
Sí, fino.
Fino. Very, very good quality This is beautiful, man. They did a very good job. Very, very good job. Wow, soundproof. This is amazing. Soundproof.
Mira que no se escucha ruido. O sea, si abrimos y después se escucha. Pero estamos bien trabajados.
This is the second unit. Eso tiene una puertica ya. Microwave. Laundry room, washer and dryer, some hanging. And refrigerator, coffee maker, small little dining room. Again, you have a little guest bathroom, same. I would say the only downfall of these units is that there is no living room couch per se. So that would probably be like the only little small investment if you were renting long term. Something that I would do is definitely add a couch to the living room. A little desk. And we have another, this is another view over here. Ooh, just Ooh. And this is the other building, another view. Wow. Pero todos son moblados, todos los apartamentos los hicieron, todos están... Sí. Ah, ok, ya entiendo. Es como, lo hicieron como casi hotel.
Es que el proyecto era la renta corta, pero como te decía ahora, no se ha movido tanto en renta corta, entonces...
Ah. Es que ahora todo el real estate está un poco frisado. Hasta los Estados Unidos está bien, hermano.
Sí.
Todo está un poco... Wow, this is a bigger closet, está más grande, though.
Este sí. Este es como la...
This is a bigger walk-in closet for sure. This is great. Also, ya veo la idea de lo que hicieron, okay. You got nice little fixtures, very detailed, I love it. Le pusieron mucho los detalles, me gusta eso.
Sí, tiene detalles muy
Sí,
bonitos.
mucho las luces, todo bien, muy, el piso.
La verdad que sí tiene detalles muy bonitos, las luces directas, indirectas.
All right, guys, well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. What an amazing, and we actually had 2 units that we saw, and I was actually surprised. I thought there was only 1. So guys, again, all the information for Andres will be in the description box below. And this is 2 rental units that are available right now, and they're furnished. All right, guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.